All you'll need for this is a washing up bowl or something similar. Before any repairs, always unplug your appliance from the mains. Turn off the valve to stop the water flow. A little tip: if the valve shut-off is running the same way as the pipe, it means the water is flowing. If it's turned and it runs sideways, it means the water has been stopped. Place a tub under the pipe to catch any water. To remove the fill hose connected to the valve at the wall, simply unscrew. Let the water drain into the washing up tub. And remove the hose that's attached to the water inlet valve. There shouldn't be much water, as everything should have drained down when we removed the connection at the bottom, but have a tub ready just in case. Unpackage your new water inlet fill hose. The straight connector is the end that connects to the washing machine valve at the wall. Make sure the rubber O-ring is inside the connector, as this forms the seal. Simply twist it on hand tight. The 90-degree end is the one that connects to your washing machine. Again, make sure that the rubber O-ring is inside the connector. Twist it on hand tight. Turn the valve so it's running in the same direction as the pipe. You'll then have cold water flowing to the washing machine. And that's it. Your new water inlet fill hose is all set to go.